Ready to turn practice into progress? Let's play this song together. If you haven't learned this yet, check out the step-by-step tutorial video link right here. And now, let's get playing. We're going to put a tutorial into practice for this song Holy Forever, the Christmas version by Chris Tomlin, with C major as the first chord with the playing pattern, both right, 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 left, C. Half a bow F on C, half a bow C, half a bow A minor, half a bow G, one bar of F, both right, 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 left, C again, both right, F on C, half a bow C, half a bow A minor, half a bow G, one bar of F. Get ready, chorus, F chord, both right, 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 left, G. Next chord A minor, back to F again, both right, right, still on F, both right, 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 left, G, right, 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 left, A minor, right, right. We have a new chord D minor, half a chorus, get ready, F chord, both left, both and the right, one bar of A minor and G. Next chord C on E, both left, both and the right and right, A minor, both left, both and the right and right, D minor, one bar of G, back home to C, both left, both and the right, arpeggio C again. Let's move on, verse 2, and we go C, half a bow F on C, half a bow C, half a bow A minor, half a bow G, one bow F, both right, 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 left, C, half a bow F on C, half a bow C, half a bow A minor, half a bow G, one bow F, both right. Repeat the last line, half a bow A minor and G and F. Let's have the full chorus. Arpeggios, get ready. Both left, both and the right, one time A minor, go to G. And the right and right, C on E. And A minor. D minor. Go to G. Back home to C. Both left, both and the right and right, C again. Continue F chord, both left, both and the right, one time A minor to G. C on E, both left, both and the right A minor. Next chord D minor, going on to G and C chord, back home. C chord again, both left, both. We're gonna go pre-chorus. We're just gonna hold F chord. Just hold G chord, 1, 2, 3, hold on A minor, 4 counts, 2, 3, 4, F chord, hold, 2, 3, F again, hold on G, hold on A minor, D minor, still hold, pattern coming up, here we go, bow, right, 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 left, G, right, right, A minor, both, right, right, and right, left, F, both, right, 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 left, F again, building up to G. Next chord A minor, D minor, full chorus, arpeggios, get ready, both left, both and the right, one time, A minor to G. C on E, both left, both and the right A minor, D minor, and G, C chord, C again, get ready, F chord, both left, both and the right, one time, A minor to G, C on E, A minor, D minor, going to G, back home to C, C again, repeat, D minor, to G and C. Let's try again. D minor, just hold on G, 2, 3, and C chord one time, one last time on C to N. Well done! Great work today! Now every time you practice, you are getting better and more confident at the piano. If you would like the extra support, I prepared resources like chord sheets, diagrams on my Patreon page to guide your learning further. And if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe and share so you won't miss what's coming next. Now keep learning, have fun. In the meantime, I'll see you in the next video. Hi there, thanks for watching. Hope this tutorial added value to your music journey. Now put what you have learned into practice with our practice jamming track video link above. If you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe for more music tutorials. We'll see you in the next video and we'll continue to make music and learn together.